The air conditioning division designs, installs and maintains systems ranging from simple comfort cooling through to sophisticated heat recovery projects. Air conditioning is Mitton's newest division, established in response to escalating demand for professional installation and maintenance services. The division currently maintains a portfolio in excess of 400 sites. All systems are designed with environmental factors in mind, in line with the latest regulations and carbon footprint issues. Economical, inverter-driven systems run using new, environmentally friendly refrigerants. Mitton Air Conditioning also works closely with customers on change management programs to phase out older refrigerants. Mitton offers systems for heat recovery, providing heating and cooling facilities at the same time, and also solar gain for the optional transfer of free heat. An essential part of the work carried out by this division focuses on running costs as well as initial capital installation costs, aiming to give customers the best value engineering for the site in question.